Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a check out the performance of the Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G against the Oppo Reno 6. And guys, the Oppo Reno 6 is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G chipset, which is based on 8nm architecture. Also, we have 8GB of RAM as well. While on the Samsung A52s 5G is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G 5G chipset, which is based on 6nm architecture. Also, we have 8GB of RAM as well. On the back, we have quad cameras on both phones. We have a 64 megapixel main camera, although we have optical image stabilization on the A52s 5G, which is not really available on the Oppo Reno 6. Although the back is made up of plastic as well as the frame on both phones. Also, we have 4310 mAh of battery size on the Oppo Reno 6 with a 50-watt fast charging. While on the A52s 5G, we have a 15-watt adapter in the box, but the A52s 5G also supports 25-watt as well. And also the A52s 5G, it is a more expensive phone as compared to the Oppo Reno 6. Oppo Reno 6 is costing around 60,000 PKR, while the A52s 5G is costing around 81,000 PKR in Pakistan market. Not a head-to-head comparison, but I want to show you that how much a difference between these devices. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it. Now let's see the boot up test. And the logo is here, a little bit more faster on the Reno 6. Also, we have Android 11 on both phones. We have a ColorOS version 11.1, while on the Samsung we have One UI version 3.1. And also on the front we have 44 megapixel selfie camera on the Reno, while on the Samsung we have a 32 megapixel selfie camera. And the Samsung, and you can see, and the Oppo Reno 6 more faster when it comes to booting up. Beat the Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G, about 1 second difference between these devices. Both phones has a very similar display. We have a 6.5-inch Full HD Super AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, while on the Reno 6 we have a 6.4-inch Full HD AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate. And both phones also has a punch hole which is more smaller on the A52s 5G as compared to the Reno 6. Now let's see apps opening speed. And guys, everything's closed up in the background and you can see no application is running in the background. Also, we have same Wi-Fi network on both phones, and the first application we have is the phone dialer, and that is more faster on the A52s 5G as compared to the Reno 6. And next on the list is the settings. Let's see who is going to be the fastest one. Faster on the A52s 5G. Now let's go to the display and you can see we have 120Hz refresh rate on the A52s 5G, while on the Reno 6 we have 90Hz refresh rate. As you can see, now let's check out some more application like Amazon Shopping. Again, we have a Snapdragon 778G 5G versus a Snapdragon 720G, little bit more faster on the A52s 5G. Now let's see the scrolling, and that is fees a little more smoother on the A52s 5G. Also the A52s 5G, it is my main phone right now. I am using this phone as my daily driver, and the 120Hz, it is really smooth on this phone. Now let's check out some games application. Now let's start off with the Candy Crush Saga, and you can see, and the A52s 5G, it is a little more faster as compared to the Reno 6. Also on the Reno 6 we have a single speaker as compared to dual speakers on the A52s 5G. Also we have IP67 water and dust resistance, which is not really available on any Android phone as of now. Now let's see Instagram, faster on the Samsung. Let's see Pinout, a little more faster on the A52s 5G, but it is very similar. Let's see Snapchat, faster on the Samsung. Let's see Spotify. The Spotify, it is a little more faster on the Samsung, but at the end very similar. Now let's see Subway Surfer on both phones, and this time you can see that the A52s faster there, and you can see about 1 or 2 second difference. Now let's see Temper Run 2 on both phones. Last game application we have in the speed test, and that is a little more faster on the A52s 5G, but we have some issue on the A52s 5G, but it is a little more faster on the A52s 5G if I didn't see that issue on the A52s 5G. Now let's open the PUBG Mobile on both phones, launching at the same time. Again, we have a Snapdragon 778G 5G. The performance of this chipset, it is very similar to the Snapdragon 860 inside the Poco X3 Pro, so that's really good thing. and you can see A52s 5G little bit more faster there, and you can see it is huge faster there. And the Reno 6 also right behind there, about a 2 or 3 second difference there. Now let's opening up the Twitter, that is faster on the A52s 5G. Now let's open this Edge, faster on the A52s 5G as compared to the Reno 6. Now let's see the scrolling, that is face again, little more smoother on the A52s 5G as compared to the Reno 6. So last time I'm launching the cameras on both phones, default camera app. Now let's see that which one is going to be the fastest one, more faster on the A52s 5G as compared to the Reno 6. Now let's see internet browser speed. I am seeing for Samsung internet browser on the A52s 5G, while on the Reno 6 we have a Google Chrome. Now let's open the wikipedia.org, and faster on the A52s 5G as compared to the Reno 6. Now let's see the scrolling, and in the start I see little bit lag on the Reno 6 also, and the Google Chrome it is refreshing at 60 Hz, no 90 Hz madness on the Reno 6. I can feel that. Now let's open this English, and it is very similar on both phones. Let's see the scrolling again, it is very similar. So next on the list is the apple.com. Apple.com faster on the A52s 5G again, and the Reno 6 is take a lot of time. Now let's see the scrolling, and that is face again, more smoother on the A52s 5G. I can see the 120 Hz refresh rate madness, which is a 60 Hz feels on the Reno 6. So guys, now let's see RAM management on both phones, and both phones has a 8 GB of RAM, and the Reno 6 also has a extended RAM feature. Let's see that who is perform good in the RAM management. Phone dialer, no refresh. Let's see settings, no refresh. Amazon shopping also refresh on the Reno 6. Let's see Candy Crush Saga, refresh on the Reno 6. Instagram, no refresh. Let's see spin out, refresh again on the Reno 6. Let's see Snapchat, no refresh. Let's see Spotify, that is refresh on the Reno 6. Let's see Subway Surfer, same result, refresh. Let's see Temple Run 2. Let's see PUBG Mobile, no refresh. Let's opening up the Twitter, no refresh. Last way back to the Edge, and last way back to the internet browser as well, that is refresh on the Reno 6. And guys, overall up to say regarding the app's opening speed, as you can see that, and the Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G with the Snapdragon 778G 5G, it is more faster as compared to the Reno 6 in system-based application as well as in game app running time. In terms of the RAM wise, as you can see that in the A52s 5G is perform more better in the RAM management as compared to the Reno 6. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G versus the Oppo Reno 6. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.